I think it finally stopped raining.
Are you ready to go?
Ready to go.
We're gonna go to Chinatown today, I think.
Woo! You're looking fresh in your fit.
This is, I'll do a get ready with me. What's it called? Out the door.
Out the door.
Isn't that what it's called?
OOTD? OOTD?
Yeah.
A little OOTD. It's not
Little
out the door though. It's
What is it?
outfit of the day.
Oh, outfit of the day. I thought that meant like outfit out the door or something. Anyways, outfit out the door for today.
Wait, have you heard someone say outfit out the door, or that's just what you came up with?
I just came up with that myself.
Oh, I like it.
I thought that's what OOTD meant.
All right, give us a little OOTD outfit out the door.
Okay, so what I'm wearing today is my fresh green shirt from Uniqlo.
Well.
And also got my fresh shorts, also from Uniqlo.
Very nice.
Also got my darn tough socks, not from Uniqlo, but I've been traveling with these for like 2 years now.
So those are not fresh.
Yeah, these are not fresh, and my not fresh, my very dirty Nikes. So we got fresh at the top, not fresh at the bottom. We're ready to go. Outfit out the door.
Outfit out the door. Let's go. OOTD. I like your version so much better.
We are at Sunki beef ball meat, and we got the minced noodles with beef, and then we also got the beef slices with the soup. And the guy taught me into herbal iced tea, so I was like, that looks good. The beef is like super tender.
It smells so good.
It's so like juicy, and it just like melts in your mouth. You barely have to chew on it. And this soup is good. This looks like it'll be spicy. It's not spicy, but it's got like barbecue flavor.
Ooh, is it good?
That was really good. Barbecue beef flavor. Wow. I'm already going in for a second bite.
No commentary, just eating. Oh my gosh, I want just a giant bowl of soup. That is so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was so good. Yes, thank you. We're close to the Central Market, and we found this chocolate drink the other day that we are quite literally obsessed with. So we're gonna stop and get another one because it was so good, and we have not stopped thinking about it since we had it the first time. You looked like you just like won an award or something on the podium.
That was my Rocky impression. We made it.
We made it to the chocolate drink.
Okay. I'll do one iced large milk chocolate with oat milk, and then sea salt, chili, and cinnamon.
Chocolate drink is secured.
We're going to Milan pedaling. We're going down pedaling street to go pedal.
Going to pedal. market, which is like right in the center of Chinatown. So we're gonna walk down the main street, and I don't really know what there is, but we'll see.
I'm specifically looking for a Fendi or Prada jumpsuit. I want the full shirt and the pants and the hat. And if I could also
And a
get
bag.
a Fendi suitcase, I'll be swapping out my backpack for a Fendi suitcase.
You're really upgrading
And a
today.
Gucci belt. Can I have one sea salt chocolate chip walnut? This looks so good. This is so big too. And it's hot. Oh, it's so hot. It's perfect. It got me turning Italian. You about to take that away?
Oh my gosh.
I guess I've had my last bite.
It's like warm and crunchy and gooey and salty.
So I was like, that cookie is perfect.
I can't stop eating.
That was like the perfect cookie because it's like crunchy on the outside, gooey on the
You
inside.
can see all of the salt flakes.
Yeah.
We're back on plan after our cookie detour. I'm less interested in the street art now and more interested in the cookie though.
I know, me too. I can't even look at anything but this.
Our original plan today was not just food and for this to be a food video, but there's so much good food in Kuala Lumpur, and especially this Chinatown area. Every street that we walk down, there's something that I want to eat and that smells delicious.
I think this is our tea place right here.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
This is so fancy.
This is the prettiest cup that I've ever seen. Wow.
I do want to take this cup home though. It's like I feel like you could reuse this. I mean, I think it's paper, but I feel like the top is really fancy, and then like this is double ice. It's raining really hard. That's like gripping on your back. And we haven't found a umbrella that's like really tiny yet, so we still have to use the broken umbrella. I tried to tape it in India and it didn't work out too well. Oh, and now it's just dripping on me even more. So it is a one-person umbrella, and we've been squeezing 2 people in it, but now it's definitely a half-a-person umbrella.
Well, I don't think that we can eat any more food, and it's now raining pretty hard, so I think we're going to call it and head back to our place.
Hopefully we don't get too wet. I don't know, I think it might be too late for that, but
Yeah.
that's it for now.
Alright, thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
I really didn't know that that's what that meant. What does it mean?
Outfit of the day.
Oh, outfit of the day. Okay, that makes sense. I thought it meant like outfit out the door.
We did a little bit of shopping yesterday because our clothes are so worn after wearing the same thing pretty much every single day for quite a long time, probably longer than I would like to admit.
It's like a commercial. Just kidding, that's not me. Mine's still on brewing. I got excited.